Today we're going to be installing this WeatherTech trim to fit cargo mat. So all you have to do is trim it into place. The car here is almost ready. I did buy this board. It was some leftover board from another project I had. Very similar. The material it uses to the one it has. I'm going to be replacing that one also. It's going to be two pieces from the leftovers I had. You can probably buy this from Home Depot. It's around $25. There's two different ones. This is the sturdier one. I did go over there to the Home Depot. There is a wobbly one that's not so good, so make sure you get the sturdy one. This one doesn't wobble too much. It's nice and sturdy. It's very similar to the other one. You can put some plywood, thicker plywood, but it's going to be heavier and probably going to be bad for your gas mileage, so just go with the thinner one like this one. It's up to you though. So this is the one I got from the Home Depot, just in case you want to get the same one, because like I said, there's two different ones. The other one is way flimsier. This one's better. So I ended up cutting the other one. So you can do it in one piece. It's recommended one piece. But I just had two scraps. And I kind of cut it into size. If you still have the other backboard, you can use the other one. And just trace it out and cut it out. That's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. So let's go ahead and install this. Open it up and install it. I got this one from the eBay store. It was in special, half off. It was $25. So they shipped it just like this. They didn't ship it in a box or anything. So it did arrive open like this. No big deal though. Let's go ahead and pull it out. So far I do like it. It's nice and thick. Does have a grip on it. Back side. Does have some little thorns, or I don't know what you want to call it, rivets. So this is good quality, I guess. I can see it's better than average quality. I've had some mats and they really don't stick to the carpet, so these I'm pretty sure they will. So there it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and measure this out. So that's 53 inches. This one is 44 inches. This one is 3 feet. So currently I'm not sure how I'm gonna get the shape of this, since I don't have a carpet or anything. If you have a carpet, you can just cut into the shape of the carpet. But I'm just gonna have to eye it, I guess. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. I'm gonna pull it a little bit to the left. And to what it was before, it does look really nice actually. So the previous one, I removed the carpet because all the water was going inside. The previous owner wouldn't clean the debris here off the gaskets. It's very important to clean the debris there. When you have debris, all the water tends to seep in. It gets blocked here, so it starts to drip inside the trunk here. So always make sure you have clean. All this is cleaned out. I'm gonna go ahead and get a marker or something to mark it. Another thing I did notice, just in case you're wondering, this thing does not slide around. So against on the little wood platform, it does grip on it really nicely. I do like that. So this part is up to you how you want to cut it. I'm just gonna cut it in the shape of the trunk. I will not go with the lines. It's up to you how you want to cut it. If you want to go with the lines, that's fine. But I want it to cover most of it, so hopefully it doesn't look that bad. So I'm just gonna mark it. Let me show you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a feel for it, and just start to mark here where I'm gonna cut. You can probably use a pencil if you don't want to mark it with permanent marker. It's gonna be around here. Then it's gonna go through this little line here. So it's gonna be something like that. Should have used the pencil, but too late for that. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the other side. Once again, just gonna get a feel for it. You can always go back and cut a little bit more. And here in the bottom, I might not cut nothing there. And there, I might just leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. You do need some nice sharp scissors for this. It's not working very well here. that wasn't that bad. Now let's try the other side. And keep in mind, this is 95 Honda Civic sedan, 4-door. The other side turned out a little bit better, but that's fine. I can go back and cut it again a little bit. So I'm going to install it again, see how it turned out. It wasn't symmetrical, but oh well. Looks better than before. So I could have gone the other on the other side also round. But it does look better than it was before though. I could work on the cutting. So that was my mistake. Try and cut it even on both sides. But it looks really nice. So it does look really good. I could work on cutting it the same. I could cut like a little bit more on that side, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. So far I do like this. It has very good grip. It does not move all over the place as you think it would. The trunk looks a lot better than before. It looks way better than before.